So I found that Andreessen Horowitz, very famous venture firm, as every listener and watcher knows, is actually really having a great winning streak when it comes to its crypto investments. And so, really, just giving some context here, Andreessen announced a $4.5 billion crypto fund in 2022 at a really tough time for crypto. I mean, Bitcoin was down, Coinbase shares were down, and they stayed down. And they haven't raised one since. So this is the most recent look we have into how their crypto-specific funds are doing. That $4.5 billion fund is indeed in a top decile of returns. And
top decile meaning like the top 10% of all venture fund performance. Is that the idea?
Yeah, top quartile. And so you're really seeing it be like a success story for them. And a time when a lot of firms are having success stories. We're looking at TVPI, which is a metric that tracks the value of a firm's holdings, not DPI, which is even more meaningful, which is the actual capital that's returned to investors.
Okay, so let's talk about the returns for each of these funds, because you had some numbers for all of the crypto funds that they've raised, which is quite remarkable to find any of that. So let's go through it. I mean, where do you want to start? The first fund, maybe? Let's talk about how that one's doing. That one we know about, though.
Yeah, so that one has been really well covered. I think it really put their crypto efforts
right. Okay,
so that one's doing well. Coinbase, everyone's happy about the Coinbase investment. The next one, Crypto 2 in 2020, that was a $515 million fund, so a little bit higher than the first fund. That fund is also in the top quartile. Its investment there was in, that firm's performance was driven by its investments in Solana Labs and other cryptocurrency startups where it didn't just own equity, but also tokens, which is actually a core part of the story.